In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download files from Dropbox to your computer in our 2025 guide. Whether you're a seasoned Dropbox user or someone trying it out for the first time, these instructions will help you navigate file downloads with ease. First, let's explore how to download files directly from the Dropbox website. To begin, open your web browser and head over to dropbox.com. Here, you'll need to sign in using your credentials. Once you're logged in, take a look at the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. Click on All Files to view everything you have stored in your Dropbox account. Now, browse through your files and locate the specific file or folder that you'd like to download to your computer. Once you've found it, hover your mouse over the file or folder. You'll notice a three dots menu appearing, typically known for providing more options. Click on this menu. From the list of options, choose Download. If you're downloading individual files, they'll start downloading immediately to your computer. However, if you're downloading a folder, it's important to note that it will be downloaded as a .zip file. After it's on your computer, you'll need to extract it to access its contents. Next, let's talk about downloading files using the Dropbox desktop app. If you haven't installed the app yet, you'll need to do so. It's available for both Windows and Mac operating systems. Once the installation is complete, open the app and sign in with your Dropbox account details. Your Dropbox folder will now be integrated into your File Explorer if you're using Windows, or Finder if you're on a Mac. Navigate to the specific file you're interested in and then right-click on it. In the context menu that appears, select Make Available Offline. This action prompts Dropbox to download the file to your local machine, making it accessible even when you don't have an internet connection. It's a handy feature for making sure you have all the necessary files ready to go, no matter where you are or what your internet situation is like. Through either of these methods, the website or desktop app, you can easily transfer your Dropbox files to your computer. Feel free to take advantage of each method depending on what's convenient for your needs. As always, make sure you have enough storage space on your computer to accommodate these downloads, especially if you're working with large files or folders. I hope this guide simplifies your Dropbox experience and keeps your workflow smooth and seamless.